A U.S. district judge has tossed out a wrongful death lawsuit filed by the family of a man gunned down by deputies who knocked on the wrong door.
The judge says the Lake County Sheriff's deputy was justified in shooting and killing Andrew Scott after Scott answered the door holding a gun. West 2's Gail Pascal Brown is live in the complex where the shooting happened 2 years ago.
Yeah, the apartment complex is right behind me where Andrew Scott was shot and killed. Now, in her 44-page opinion, U.S. District Judge Ann Conway says what led to Scott's tragedy was the fact that he opened the door with a gun in his hand.
You'd be amazed the amount of people that have said they would have gone to the door with a gun too, unannounced at 1:30 in the morning.
Andrew Scott was a pizza delivery man at Hungry Howie's in Leesburg. His boss says after 2 years he can't believe the judge's ruling in the family's wrongful death suit. On July 15, 2012, Lake County Deputy Richard Sylvester shot and killed Scott while looking for another suspect at the victim's apartment complex in what's now Blueberry Hill 2. The federal judge wrote, "By any measure, this is a tragic case. The court sympathizes with the plaintiff's loss." Andrew Scott made a fateful decision that night. He chose to answer the door with a gun in his hand. That changed everything. That is the one thing that more than anything else led to this tragedy.
And whether the gun was pointed or not, we may never know, but the people that know Drew know that that gun probably wasn't pointed at anybody.
Obviously, Mom is still very hurt, and she was hurt as I provided the opinion to her, and she certainly understands that we are not done. This is not the end.
Deputy Sylvester did not identify himself. The Lake County Sheriff's Office does not require nor has a policy which says deputies must identify themselves in knock and talk situations, and that hasn't changed since the fatal shooting. The deputy's attorney, John Green, says the law is clear. The officers can act as any reasonable officer would do, which is what Deputy Richard Sylvester did. Andrew Scott's family says they will appeal. Now, since this summary judgment was in favor of the sheriff's office as well as the deputy, then they can bill the family for the costs incurred in this wrongful death lawsuit, which totals more than $6,000, $6,739 to be exact. But according to officials with the Lake County Sheriff's Office, they are not going to seek reimbursement from the family. I'm Gail Pascal Brown in Lake County for West 2 News.